In this video, we listed the 10 best garage invention for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name Jackson Palmer 2201 Piece Hardware Assortment Kit. The Jackson Palmer 2201 Piece Hardware Assortment Kit is a comprehensive toolkit that contains a variety of screws, nuts, bolts, and washers, organized across 3 trays. This assortment is ideal for home repairs, DIY projects, and various hardware needs. It offers a wide range of fasteners to accommodate different tasks, making it a versatile addition to any workshop or household toolbox. With over 2,200 pieces, this kit ensures that users have the right hardware at their fingertips, enhancing efficiency for projects like furniture assembly, small repairs, or larger construction tasks. In the context of the previous interests you shared, ranging from specialized tools like electric chainsaws and folding workbenches to everyday tools like digital meat thermometers and mini wood planers, this hardware assortment kit complements your collection by providing essential fasteners that are often needed during such tasks. Whether you're maintaining power tools, fixing accessories, or working on automotive projects, the Jackson Palmer kit can be a valuable resource for ensuring that you have the necessary components on hand without needing to source individual pieces separately. Product 2. Product name Homi-On Wheels Tire Saver Ramps Anti-Slip Pads. The Homi-On Wheels Tire Saver Ramps Anti-Slip Pads, WH-300, are designed to protect vehicle tires from developing flat spots during long-term storage. These ramps help prevent flat tires by distributing the weight of the vehicle more evenly across the tire, ensuring that the tires retain their shape. The anti-slip design of the ramps ensures that they remain securely in place while the vehicle is parked. Each 4-pack set comes with tire savers that are suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from cars to RVs. They are made from durable materials, providing reliable support for the tires. Additionally, the ramps are easy to store thanks to their compact design and the included carry-in bag, making them convenient for users who frequently store their vehicles for extended periods. This product is particularly useful for maintaining tire condition and preventing damage during storage in garages or driveways. Product 3. Product name Jocko ElitePro Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. The Jocko ElitePro Digital Tire Pressure Gauge is a high-precision tool designed for measuring tire pressure with professional accuracy, making it ideal for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. This particular model offers a maximum reading of 100 psi, ensuring it can handle a wide range of tires, from standard cars to larger vehicles. Key features of the Jocko ElitePro include a high-resolution digital display that provides easy-to-read measurements and a rugged, durable design that stands up to heavy use in various conditions. The gauge is engineered for precise readings, ensuring optimal tire pressure, which helps improve fuel efficiency, tire lifespan, and overall vehicle safety. Product 4. Product name Boulder Tools Heavy Duty Tire Repair Kit. The Boulder Tools Heavy Duty Tire Repair Kit is a professional-grade solution designed for quick and efficient tire puncture repairs. This versatile kit is suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, RVs, motorcycles, tractors, and trailers, making it an ideal choice for both personal and commercial use. The kit provides everything needed for on-the-spot tire repair, enabling users to easily plug punctures without requiring special expertise or a visit to a mechanic. It's particularly beneficial for those who frequently drive in remote areas, haul heavy loads, or encounter rough terrains where punctures are more common. Product 5. Product name Orion Motor Tech Strut Spring Compressor. The Orion Motor Tech Strut Spring Compressor is a heavy-duty tool designed for safely compressing coil springs, making it an essential accessory for automotive suspension repairs. With a compression force of up to 2,200 pounds, this tool is capable of handling springs with a height range of 7.9 inch to 19.7, making it versatile for use on cars, trucks, and SUVs. Its robust construction ensures durability and reliability for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike when working on vehicle suspension systems, allowing for the safe removal and installation of struts and coil springs during maintenance tasks. This tool is particularly valuable for those performing suspension upgrades, shock absorber replacements, or similar automotive repairs where spring compression is necessary. The Orion Motor Tech Strut Spring Compressor is ideal for anyone in need of a powerful and reliable tool, whether you're a professional mechanic or someone working on vehicles at home. Product 6. Product name: Viver Hydraulic Lift Table Cart. The Viver Hydraulic Lift Table Cart is a versatile and robust tool designed for material handling and transportation, making it suitable for various industries and tasks. With a 330 pounds weight capacity and a maximum 50-inch lifting height, it is engineered to handle a wide range of loads, ensuring both efficiency and safety during use. The manual double scissor lift mechanism allows for precise height adjustments, while the hydraulic system ensures smooth and controlled lifting. Key features include 4 wheels for enhanced mobility, making it easy to transport heavy items across different surfaces. The cart is equipped with a non-slip pad on the platform to securely hold materials in place during operation, minimizing the risk of accidents or load shifts. This lift table is particularly useful in warehouse environments, assembly lines, and workshops, where lifting and moving heavy objects is a frequent requirement. Product 7. Product name: EWK Coil Spring Compressor Tool. The EWK Coil Spring Compressor Tool is a heavy-duty tool designed for safely compressing McPherson strut springs during removal and installation in vehicles. This tool is particularly useful for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts who work on suspension systems, as it provides a safe and efficient way to manage coil springs, which can store significant tension and pose a hazard if handled improperly. The EWK Coil Spring Compressor set features safety jaws and a holder that securely grip the spring, preventing any accidental slips during compression. This robust design ensures a strong hold and maximizes safety while working on suspension struts. Made from durable materials, it is built to withstand heavy loads, making it suitable for professional and home garage use. Product 8. Product name: Bikehand Bike Wheel Professional Truing Stand. The Bikehand Bike Wheel Professional Truing Stand is a high-quality tool designed for bicycle wheel maintenance, specifically for truing rims. In line with the user's interest in various bicycle accessories and maintenance equipment, this stand serves as an essential addition for ensuring that bike wheels are perfectly aligned. It is particularly useful for DIY bike enthusiasts who want to maintain their bicycles at home. Key features include durable construction. The stand is built with a heavy-duty base, ensuring stability during maintenance tasks, making it ideal for frequent use. Free spoke wrenches. It comes with free spoke wrenches, adding to its value and making it easier to adjust spokes while working on the wheel. Product 9. Product name: XK L1000 10,000 pounds 2-post car lift. The XK L1000 10,000 pounds 2-post car lift is a powerful and reliable automotive lift designed for use in garages, workshops, or any professional automotive setting where heavy lifting is required. With a maximum lifting capacity of 10,000 pounds, it is suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs. This 2-post car lift is known for its robust build quality, featuring a durable steel frame and an efficient hydraulic system, which ensures safe and steady lifting. Key features of the XK L1000 include a symmetrical design that allows for balanced lifting, making it ideal for both front and rear heavy vehicles. It also comes with truck adapters, making it versatile enough to handle larger vehicles. Safety mechanisms are built into the system to prevent overloading and ensure stable operation, which is crucial for both vehicle servicing and maintenance tasks. Product 10. Product name: Ski and Snowboard Wall Rack for Garage Wall. The Ski and Snowboard Wall Rack for Garage Wall is a practical solution for organizing winter sports gear, designed to fit any type of ski or snowboard. This storage rack offers a damage-free mounting system, ensuring your equipment remains secure and protected while not in use. It is a space-saving organizer, ideal for keeping your garage tidy and maximizing available storage for your winter gear. The rack is especially convenient for users who value efficient garage organization and want a dedicated spot for their ski and snowboard equipment. With its green color and 4-pack set, this wall rack provides both utility and aesthetic appeal. Its universal fit accommodates a wide range of skis and snowboards, making it versatile for different types of gear. This rack is perfect for users looking for durable, efficient storage solutions that prevent damage and clutter, allowing for easy access to their equipment during the winter months.